Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch this blue sea dragon in Fish It game on Roblox Crystal Depth update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the blue sea dragon fish looks like, and I'm going to show you how you can catch this fish. First of all, you need to go to the Crystal Depth location because this is one of the fish from this location. Okay, and this is a legendary fish. I'm going to show you guys the fish index. Okay, this is the blue sea dragon. You can catch it 1 in 15k. Alright, and yeah, the fish is so beautiful. It shines. And I'm going to show you this spot to catch this fish. I just do fishing here guys, and then I catch this blue sea dragon. And for the rod, I use the rarest rod to catch this fish, but you can use another rod. It can still be catched using the astral rod or the eclipse rod or the midnight rod. You can still catch it with the lower rod, but of course you will have more chance if you have better rod, such as the Aries rod and the ghost wind rod and also the element rod and so on. Okay guys, and that's all about the blue sea dragon and Fish It game on Roblox Crystal Depth update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.